Now look at this.
What's up about penguins? Today we do topic 5.6, chromosomal inheritance. So since we're talking about chromosomes, let's go ahead and talk about the law of segregation again. So the law of segregation refers to anaphase 1. This is when the homologous chromosomes are going to separate and move to opposite cells. Because of the fact that they are going to move to opposite cells, each of the daughter cells are going to receive only one of the alleles that were found in the parent cell. The law of independent assortment refers to metaphase 1. This is when the homologous chromosomes independently align on the metaphase plate. They're going to align independent of one another, and so that's going to give us kind of a 50-50 shot for each of our chromosomes on which cell it's going to end up in terms of our gamete. So we inherit these chromosomes from our parents. So the sperm and the egg fuse together through a process called fertilization, and that forms a zygote. And that zygote then goes through mitosis to form you. So from these different chromosomes, we're able to identify a lot of disorders by looking at a karyotype. So this is a karyotype. What they do is they take the chromosomes during metaphase 1, and they then line them up from longest to shortest of our autosomes, and then they put their allosome at the end. So based on the karyotype, this individual would be assumed to be a female because of the fact that it has two X chromosomes. So if we were to compare that to this karyotype, you're going to notice that there is 3 of chromosome 21. Wait, you have 3 of chromosome 21? Yep, that's called Down syndrome. One of the causes is something called nondisjunction. Nondisjunction results from when the homologous chromosomes or the sister chromosomes do not segregate during anaphase 1 or anaphase 2. So if you look up here at the right-hand side, you see that during meiosis 1, nondisjunction took place. And so the resulting gametes are going to be missing a chromosome, and these resulting gametes have an extra chromosome. Whereas over here, we see the nondisjunction took place during anaphase 2. So the sister chromosomes did not segregate. So these two are normal because they didn't affect the cell. But over here, we're missing one chromosome, and here we have an extra chromosome. So here you see Turner syndrome. This has to do with that the individual only has one X chromosome because of nondisjunction. They're missing their second allosome. This individual has 2 X's and 1 Y chromosome. And so that tells us that nondisjunction took place, resulting in an additional allosome. If you notice right here, this chromosome is shorter. So it went through deletion. It deleted a certain segment of genes from it. And that is how this individual got something called cru du cry, cry of the cat. So there's a lot of genetic disorders that could take place. So what's going to happen on the exam is they're going to give you some example you've never heard of, and you're going to have to do application. AP by Penny, just says, bye y'all.